mom's support was too much for me because she supported a lot. Chennai was on Chikche, the fees was not actually affordable. But
Right.
still, Mama managed to do that. Maka Chennai done. She koncha kam tinekende. So
Correct.
all the credit goes to her.
पूण हांव चिंता आवय आनी इंगी तांची लल्लान सॅक्रिफायस तिका एक नवे वस्तू म्हळ्यार तिचे वस्तू कितलेंय पोरना जालें जाल्यार शी वॉज रेडी टू मेक द सेम थिंग.
Yeah, म्हणजे हांव कितें आमचें आसा तांचे बरेंकन आसा and no matter how hard they are, how they're not giving you what exactly the way that you want, but yeah, speak wherever that is required. That is also required. Make them understand. If it is not possible, you can't help it. So take care of your mothers and thank you for and be happy.